Hello everyone, in the last video, I was already creating two XLogin browsers and import cookies. Now I will use these two browsers to register multiple Tinder accounts. First, in the XLogin client. Select the first browser. Right-click and select Edit Profile. Click Setting Browser Server. The port is 5510. In other configurations, enable synchronization settings. Then select the second browser. Right-click and select Edit Profile. Also, click Setting Browser Server. Please note the port is 5511. In other configurations, enable synchronization settings. Remember to save profile. Then select these two browsers. Right-click and select Launch Browser. Since the Gmail cookie was imported in advance, it automatically logs into Gmail. Now, in the first browser, open a new window to go to the Tinder website. Click Create Account. Here you can choose the relevant platform to register. I choose to mobile number here. Enter the mobile number. Click Continue. Enter the verification code you received for your mobile number. Click Continue. Enter your email address. Or just use Google account to continue. Click Agree to rules. Enter your name. Set your date of birth. Select your gender. Then select the gender and type of friends you want to meet. You can choose anyone you want. Click Continue. Then add profile photos. Select the relevant photo to upload. You must add at least 2 photos to continue, so add another one here. Once you've uploaded your photos, click Continue. Allow Tinder to get your location and find people around you. Select frequency of allowing Tinder to get your location. Here you can choose whether to notify new messages or matches. Please choose according to your needs. Now the first Tinder account is registered completely, you can start to swipe right to match people. Next, register second Tinder account, doing the same as the first. Open Tinder in the second browser and accept the privacy rules. Click Create Account and choose to continue with Google. Click Confirm. Enter your mobile number. Click Continue. Enter the verification code. Click Continue. Click I agree. Go to the profile settings page. Enter your name. Set your date of birth. Select your gender. Then select the gender and type of people you want to meet. Click Continue. Add profile photos. Add at least 2. Click Continue. Then allow Tinder to use your location to find nearby people. Click Allow to share your location. Choose the frequency of allowing Tinder to know your location. Enable notifications. Then you can swipe right to match friends normally. Now we have registered 2 Tinder accounts, which can be logged in at the same time and are not associated with each other. The video on how to register multiple Tinder accounts on XLogin Antidetect Browser is demonstrating here. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.